on an object by a worker. The possible causes such as lack of proper tool and load is not balanced, non-uniform fit and tolerance, foreign materials such as dust and grease, and physical shape and condition of object. Okay, okay, we will see the example after this. Okay, then we have the adjustment of position. A series of small repetitive movements around the required location before material is finally placed in that location. Okay, meaning that you are doing try and error until you succeed. You put more effort before succeed. Okay, this is maybe due to lack of self-locating devices, assembly work without guiding device. Worker cannot see properly because of obstruction or bad lighting. Okay, we go to this video. Sorry. Okay, this is about what? See, from one stair to another stair. Okay, this is example for what? Which one? You have two tadi You have jerk and wrench, and another is adjustment of position. So, how do you want to explain this tool?
Jerk and wrench.
Jerk and wrench. Because you can avoid jerk and wrench by using this small tool. And by using this small tool. See? So you can go smoothly and without jerking and wrench. Jerk and wrench. Do you find this tool before?
No.
No. Okay. Do you have Shopee apps?
Yes, ada.
Okay, try to find what is the cost for that tool. Powered stair climber or stair climber.
$7,000.
7,000. 6 or 7,000, right? So it is quite costly lah. But it's very good. If you want to use for the industry purpose, it's okay. But for domestic, maybe not worth it lah. But it is very good because you can maybe the apa ni yang gas gas seller tu gas container tu gas yang kat rumah tu they can use this tool and for the building without lift and without excavator. Okay. Okay, this is another examples and the techniques and tools to thread a needle. Techniques and tools. Yeah, this is a normal way, normal technique that you always use. I believe we have good lighting, but still have difficulty to insert the thread. This is the pinch technique. Okay, this is also normal use lah. Put the needle. Rubbing your hand. This is very popular in the YouTube. But take some time lah until macam this woman try about 50 seconds. So it can be ineffective activity also, right? This one ineffective activity because you need to repeat until 50 seconds. Then you get the apa ni? Then you get succeed. Okay, use this one. What is the name tadi? The wire loop trader. Very simple tool. Yes. So, and then you can see that it is simple too, but it is very practical. And then this is the desktop and needle threader. It is like a jig to assist the job. See? Kita tak pernah jumpa lagi benda ni. Okay, for the sewing machine, you have a built-in threader of a sewing machine. Some machine have this additional tool. If you don't have this tool, you can use this type of tool, this type and the machine needle threader.
This tool pushes under.
Still the same. So it can save your time. Okay. There is you can see the ineffective activities can be reduced by using some methods. But you can see some other methods also have the ineffective activities. So you have to choose which one is better or which one is practical. Okay. Okay, now we go to number 13. It is about the clumsy motion. What is clumsy? It means outward, outward. Janggal, it is outward posture. Clumsy means outward, and maybe caused by lack of pre-positioning facilities. Object is dirty or greasy. Characteristic of materials, unsuitable glove, unsuitable type of container or feed system, small workspace. Okay, you can watch this video. Oh, sorry. Can you see the video?
Oh, dah.
Okay, bye. Okay, this is tool vest, tool vest or tool belt. So you can use tool vest or tool belt to apa ni, to reduce the outward clumsy motion.
Doctor, we can't see the slide actually.
Yeah?
We can't see the slide
You
actually.
cannot see the video
Yeah.
So, so, okay, can see the video?
Sekarang boleh.
Yes, yes.
Alright. So you can see the required tool can be put around your waist and it is easy to reach. Because clumsy motion refer to worker fails to take hold of an object at the first attempt. Object fail and jatuh need to pick up. So this type of apa ni vest ke belt ni we call tool belt ataupun tool vest and can assist you and to reduce the falling hand tool or device or maybe nail, bolt can be put around your waist and or apa ni vest tu. But the other problem may come lah. What is it? It is heavy.
Heavy.
It is heavy. So maybe you can put only the relevant tool lah. In the tool belt ataupun vest ni. Beban betul tengok kan. But it is practical if you just put the relevant tool lah. Okay. Now we go back to the to number 14. Okay, lost control. An object that needs to be used again but is released before being almost immediately taken again. Okay, this is due to maybe incorrect sequence of activity, lack of multi-device, unable to hold tool or object when required. Okay, can you see the slide? Okay, see the slide. Okay, look at this example. This is example for what number? Number apa tadi? Clumsy motion ke lost control?
Lost control.
This is lost control. You can see this apa ni budak ni. Because maybe because of the wrong procedure lah. Salah cara kan. Okay. Okay, this one. Okay, you can see he want to drill. He want to drill. See the difficulty when you are using the portable without this. What is the name? This one. What is the name? Tadi ada yang dia tulis kan? Apa dia? Flexible shaft extension. Flexible shaft extension. Okay, when you use the flexible shaft extension, you can reduce the movement, the ineffective movement, ineffective activities, because normally when you just use the portable, it is outward motion, and also the apa ni the tool here always falling down kan, falling down. But by using this one, you can apa accurately use without any, adalah failure juga tapi reduce lah. Okay, obstructed motion. Obstructed, worker has to divert from a straight line motion because of obstruction. Ada halangan. So the worker has to divert lah. Kena bergerak jalan tu untuk mengelak mengelak dia punya apa ni obstruction ni. It is because of maybe bad workplace layout, bad design of safety guard, or design of device does not have allowance to place object. Okay, we will see the video later. And then number 16, unnecessary motion. Worker using more motion than really required for that operation. It is unnecessary motion. Okay, maybe because of lack of power tools, bad workplace layout, lack of safe locating device, inverted material or equipment. Okay, look at this example. Okay, you have obstructed motion, and you have number 16 is unnecessary motion. Okay, identify the movement. Okay, who want to try? What is the activity of this worker?
Obstruction and unnecessary motion.
Siapa tu? Tak ada nama pula. Tak keluar nama dia.
Hazim.
Hazim. Okay, Hazim. Okay, Hazim. Obstruction and what? Unnecessary motion.
Yes.
Okay, I want to call Muhammad Nizam. Muhammad Nizam ada?
Ada.
Okay, why you call, oh sorry, habis pula gambarnya. Oh tu. Okay, why you call it as obstruction motion? Which one is obstruction motion?
Yang halangan kat kawasan koridor tu.
Kawasan koridor. Okay, yang mana? Yang mana?
Ada
Halangan kat
kotak
mana?
tepi situ yang buat halangan dia. Dia tak boleh jalan straight. Kena macam bengkok badan dia macam tu.
Oh, because of
Yang
this
satu ada
box.
pipe yang tu besar tu pun sama.
Yes, because of the piping here, kan? And the box. Okay, which one you can identify as obstruction motion, and which one is unnecessary apa tadi? Unnecessary motion. Obstruction ni halangan lah. Okay, dua-dua ni pun halangan. But obstruction motion maybe more to which one?
Yang pipe tu dia kena tunduk masa dia nak keluar balik.
Because of the piping kan? Because of
Ah.
piping. Okay. So how do you want to solve? Okay, Niza, nanti dulu. How do you want to solve this problem, Nabil Fikri?
Pipe tu boleh dibina lebih tinggi sedikit daripada ketinggian manusia biasa.
Ni Nabil Nizam lagi.
Oh, betul.
Saya panggil Nabil. Saya panggil Nabil. Obstructed motion tu maybe because of the pipe kan, pipe above the head. Okay, unnecessary motion because of the boxes that block his path kan. So how do you want to solve this problem? Nabil ada tak?
Ada.
Ada. Okay, Nabil. How to solve the problem? Maybe this is only space you have, so you cannot remove the pipe. So how do you want to solve? Okay, first for the boxes, how do you want to to reduce the unnecessary motion?
Pakai troli.
Okay, that one. So the overall punya solution is using the trolley. Okay, next apa lagi? What else?
Panjangkan conveyor belt tu sampai ke ujung.
Okay, you can lengthen the apa nama tadi conveyor tu to the to the end of the ni lah tempat nak dicapai tu kan. The last one tu kan. Okay, lagi ada. What else? Okay, this is the solution, one of the solution. You put on the pallet and then use what? You see the pallet is with the same level of the conveyor. Okay. Okay. And then okay, dia punya gambar tak habis tau, not finish. But you can assume Okay, what is this? What is the name here? Under this pallet ni. What is the tool? It is like a scissor. It is a scissor jack or is it scissor leaf? What is the difference? Scissor jack and scissor leaf? Or maybe it is hydraulic jack. Jack lah. Janji dia jack. But manual jack ke, hydraulic jack ke, so manual jack maybe cannot be used lah because manual jack cannot be at that height. Go to at that height. So you can use hydraulic jack because hydraulic jack can be you can make it higher into that level onto that level. Or maybe you can use scissor jack. Okay. Okay, if such motions or activities exist in a job, the reasons for it need to be identified so that it may be eliminated or at least reduced. Okay. Can you use five hierarchy of control in the safety and health that you have learned? You know what is the hierarchy of control in the safety and health? What is the hierarchy? Who want to try? You have learned in your safety pass before, in your safety pass course, right? In your PSC course, under OSHI. So one of the syllabus is hierarchy of control. So have you remembered what is the 5 hierarchy of control?
Elimination, substitution,
Elimination.
inconvenience.
How do you want to eliminate the ineffective motion? By using maybe automated tool lah. You can use fully automated tool. Maybe you can. Next is substitute. How do you want to use substitute? You want to substitute the tool. Instead of you use fully manual, then you can use macam tadi lah like previous our slide tadi kan, previous video. You can use jack kan. If it is not traditional jack, you can use hydraulic jack, you can use scissor jack. It is substitute. And then number 3 is engineering design, right? So engineering design, how do you want to solve by using the engineering design? You redesign the tool. Maybe you design the jigs and features to assist the movement, to assist the tool, the existing tool. And also you can use administrative control. Okay, administrative control means rather than you lift or you carry something that is very heavy, and maybe 50 kilogram, you can reduce it. And okay, who want to try? How do you want to solve the problem if if the load is 50 kilogram? So what is your solution under administrative control? Faiz ada? Faiz dah biasa kan tanya. Jawab. Faiz ada tak? Faiz ada? Itu sampai mana ya nama? Nur Izzah dah pernah panggil tak? Nur Izzah Fatihah. Nur Izzah Fatihah?
Ya, saya.
What is your solution by using administrative control? Give example. Any idea? $50 kilogram. You carry 50 kilogram yourself. But now, if I said administrative control, you have to use administrative control. So how do you solve this problem? Administrative tu maksudnya apa? Instead of one worker doing the job, so you
Share.
you share. Okay, how do you want to share? You
Limiting the time worker exposed to the load.
sorry tak dengar. Ada dua suara tadi. Repeat balik. Saya tak dengar tadi. How do you want to solve? Kita ada 50 kilogram seorang yang angkat. So under administrative control. Macam mana nak solve?
By limiting the time of the worker exposed to a hazard. Sabar kejap.
Okay, you limit the time. You limit the time ke you limit the load?
Ini the load.
You limit the load lah. Bukan time lah. Time tu boleh, time exposure boleh. Tapi in this issue bukan time lah. It is not about time. It is about load tu tadi the load 50 kilogram. So you limit the load. Maybe you can distribute the load to two. Katakan one bag into two bags. So from 50 kilogram, so you distribute and you divide. So one bag is only 25 kilogram. Okay, you know men and workers and male worker, Malaysia, the maximum load can be carried. What is the load? What is the weight? Maximum weight. Do you know that?
No, doctor.
No tak pernah mention lagi Okay, it is 25 kilogram. For Malaysia load, maximum weight is 25 kilogram. For female worker, it is 16 kilogram. Dia ada ni pula dia ada level pula. 25 kilogram is betul-betul dekat awak punya ni waist ni dekat area waist ni. Kalau dia ke atas dah kurang dah 20, 15 ke atas. The maximum weight. Okay, that is administrative control. Okay, last one is PPE. Okay, PPE. How do you want to apply PPE in this topic? PPE, ineffective motion. Oh, okay. Do you have any idea how to solve the problem by using the PPE? What PPE? Maybe can assist, can help you to make your job easier.
Using tools.
Sorry,
Tools.
tools. What tools?
Trolley.
Itu engineering design ataupun substitute.
Helmet, safety boot.
Helmet. Okay, how to apply helmet? How to use helmet as to reduce ineffective activity? Itu tajuk safety and health tu. Sekarang tajuk dia motion study. Ineffective activity. Helmet can reduce ineffective, macam tak basuh. Awak mungkin tengok gambar tadi ke? Ya, ke dengan tak. Kita punya PPE ni ada banyak kan? Okey, apa? Helmet lagi?
Glove. Safety glove.
Goggle, glove. Okey, lagi apa? Safety boot dan sebagainya. Safety boot. Okay, which one you think that it is suitable to reduce ineffective activity?
Glove.
Sorry?
Safety glove.
Glove. Ada lagi? Ada lain? Ada lain ke? Okay, yang the obvious one is glove lah kan? When you use glove, you can feel that it is comfortable and easy to do your job. Rather than you don't have any glove. Awak faham kan? Kalau ada glove tu lagi senang nak buat kerja. Kadang-kadang lah daripada kita kosong bare hand. So that is the PPE. So you can use this our concept of hierarchy of control in this topic in the syllabus in our motion study. Okay. Okay, look at this video. It is quite similar lah with our yang tadi the previous one. Okay, bad ergonomic posture. Okay, maybe he is doing, not sure lah, he is doing maybe inspection ke or maybe ada tak tahu lah, ada barcode ke apa ke. Okay, you can see bad posture because he is always bending kan, always bending to take first and to take the box and then put on the table kan. Okay, then now he realized that it is ineffective activity, so he used this type of this hydraulic jack so at the level of dia punya waist ni body posture dia ni, so it can reduce the ergonomics issue and also can be more productive. Sometimes when you are having a problem in your current situation lah kan, you can detect, you can feel you have to do something, right? You have to do something. So how to solve? How to solve the problem? That is the thing lah. Tu je. But awak boleh rasa dia macam ada benda yang bermasalah. Cuma nak kena cari penyelesaian. Okay, no need lah. Itu dah banyak. Okay, then we go to the developing solution. Okay, how to develop the solution. During critical analysis of the task being studied, ideas on how to improve it emerge. Dia memang akan datang lah. The next step will be to develop this idea into feasible solution, which is practical. It is practical. How to which one is practical? And select the optimum one. Okay, what is the meaning of optimum one? We can see from the example nanti. Okay, factors to be considered in solution development. The first, material flow and material handling. Okay, you have to consider material flow and material handling by choosing the right material handling equipment or by minimizing material handling with that is non-productive activity. So you can use any tool lah. You can use any existing tool and to apa tu to reduce the non-productivity activity. Okay. Okay. Okay, this is some apa ni different types of material handling equipment. You can see conveyor, you have forklift or industrial truck. You also have crane, hoist, skid and trolley. I think better we go. Okay, tak apa. Nanti ada lagi warna yang ada colour punya ni. Sebenarnya yang ni ialah height actually. Okay. Okay, possible method of handling an object. Okay, how do you want to discuss these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? You have 5 approach. You have 5 approach. What is the first approach? Nak panggil nama? Nak panggil nama. Zuhair Akmal. Okay, what is the first approach?
Betul?
What is the first approach from that picture?
The first approach ialah he try to take he try to handle the load without using any equipment ataupun machine. He would just carry the load to the destination lah. That is the first approach daripada gambar ni.
They just carry the load from one place to another place
Yes.
manually
Without using any
kan?
equipment.
Without using any tool,
Yes.
assisting tool. Okay, good. Tadi Zuhair Okay, Muhammad Amir, Mak Yusof. What is the second approach from that picture?
Using tools,
What tool?
trolley.
Okay, use trolley to assist the movement. Okay, then the third one, Muhammad Zulfadli. What is the third approach?
Dia guna conveyor belt.
Okay, use the conveyor belt ke tak tahu lagi tu roller ke apa kan? Conveyor lah. Okay.
Kalau roller tak gerak tu.
Ha?
Kalau roller tak gerak tu kan.
Kalau roller conveyor tak gerak.
Tak. Conveyor je yang gerak kan.
Oh, okay, tak apalah. Okay, tak apa. Okay, that is type of conveyor lah kan? Okay, maybe he can use conveyor to move the load from one place to the another place. Okay, good. Okay, then we go to the fourth approach. Muhammad Badrul Amin.
By using forklift.
Using forklift. Forklift. Who has gone internship? Who has done their punya internship? Maybe you have seen this type of tool kan? This type of apa ni? This tool lah. This vehicle.
Autojack.
Sorry?
Autojack.
Autojack. Nama dia Autojack Autojack. Wow. Oh. Okay. Share balik. Cari gambar lah tadi. Okey, tak apa. Tadi apa nama dia? Apa kata tadi? AutoJack Check. Sekejap kita check sekejap. Saya tak share sekejap Okay, this is AutoJack. Okay, look at image. AutoJack. Okay, AutoJack. Macam tak sama lah dengan AutoJack yang awak sebut tadi ni. Mungkin, okay, kita letak Okay, see this one? Okay, this is, the name is Stacker. S-T-A-C-K-E-R. Okay, so you can use Stacker. Kan lebih kurang macam ni kan tadi bentuk dia kan? Ni. So the variety of apa ni? Stacker lah ya. Okay. Mana ni tadi kan? Bentuk dia. Ni. Lebih kurang macam ni ke tadi? Okay. Okay, then the last one. The approach is what? Lim Jin Yang?
And this is the I don't know the name of the tools.
Okay. Just sebut je. Apa-apalah. Tak apa, kita discuss.
Something like hanger.
And, okay lah, yang tu maknanya memang awak tak tahu lah tu. Okay, nama dia
Tak
adalah
tahu,
overhead.
sorry.
Tak apa. Overhead Travelling Crane. OTC. Overhead Travelling Crane. Kadang-kadang orang kata hoist kan. Using hoist. Ada yang monorail ke apa. Sebab tak nampak gambar ni. Simbol je kan. Okay. So, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 approach. Which one is the best one?
Number 4.
Oh,
Oh. Okay.
Yes.
Yang lain macam mana? What is your opinion? Which one is the best?
Okay.
Sorry?
The last one.
The last one, number 5. Okay. The others?
Number 3.
Number 3. Okay, ada lagi?
Number 4.
Number 4. Okay. So that means it depends. It depends which one. But not the number 1. Because number 1 is manually. Kan? So manually is not good because you use your body to support to move. So you know your body have the limitation. Okay, so use the other tool to help you. Which one lah? Maybe number 1, number 2, number 3, 4 or 5. Okay. Which one is costly?
Number 5.
Yes, number 5. OTC. Overhead Travelling Crane is costly. So that's why in OSHA you can hear that the ada satu sentence tu ALARP. ALARP, ALARP. As low as reasonably practicable. Jadi you can choose but it is based on your budget, your company budget. Kelas ni yang tu ke? Okay. And it is based on company budget. And it also time. Okay. Okay, number 2, workers' movement in the workplace. Minimizing or eliminating ineffective movement. The workers' movement in the workplace. Tadi tajuk dia apa? Tadi tajuk dia factors to be considered in solution development. Okay, you can consider minimizing or eliminating ineffective movement Sama lah kan, workers movement in the workplace. Okay, number 3, method and movement in the workplace. You can simplify method of doing work. You can minimize ineffective movement. Okay, all the statement here actually want to to explain about the material handling lah sebenarnya. Actually, material handling. So, material handling ni we have some types of material handling. If you go to Google ke, or you have the textbook, you can see it is maybe containers, unitizing equipment, or maybe it is material transport equipment, such as conveyors. You have tube conveyor, belt conveyor, you have roller conveyor, wheel conveyor, sled conveyor, chain conveyor. You also have industrial vehicles, such as pallet jack, walkie stacker yang tadi lah, hand truck, hand cart, automated vehicles, AGV, yang tu modern sikit, it is modern punya vehicles. Monorails, halls and cranes, and storage equipment, and some others lah, some others. Okay, this is the example, unit load. Okay, you have pallet, skid, and so there is a difference what is the pallet and skid. Okay, and this unit, one of the unit load yang you always see in the in the supermarket kan, ni one of the unit load this one or this type of unit load or ni this one tot pans TOTEPANS, bukan UPN lain pula ejaan ni kan. Okay, material handling equipment. Okay, this is some others lagi. Some have been mentioned and some maybe we don't see lagi tadi. Okay, this one macam ni scissor lift, ini macam yang tadi stacker juga kan, type of stacker juga kan. Ni forklift. Okay, hydraulic pallet, truck, hydraulic or semi, ni stacker, scissor lift, trolley, floor crane, hydraulic stacker, okay, scissor lift, ni vehicle, vehicle lorry kan, jeep crane, okay. Okay, this one is what? Number 1. What is the name? This one, simple je.
Forklift.
Forklift. This one?
Trolley.
Trolley. Ni? Okay, we call it lifting equipment. Lifting equipment. Okay, this one?
Roller. Conveyor.
Roller conveyor. Maybe powered or maybe manual, gravity. Roller conveyor. Okay, this one?
Conveyor belt.
Sorry?
Conveyor belt.
Belt. Conveyor belt or belt conveyor. Okay, this one?
Overhead crane.
Bukan crane. This is still conveyor.
Oh.
But overhead tu betul.
Overhead conveyor.
Overhead conveyor. Okay, this one? To bring the heavy. Yeah?
Is it conveyor?
Sorry?
Is it conveyor also?
It is conveyor. This all type of conveyors. But what is the name? The specific name? Sled conveyor. SLAT. Okay, there is difference. This is belt and this is sled. This one to to bring the heavy load. Heavy load. Yang ini dia lembut sikit. It is quite soft. Yang ni lembut sikit. Maybe uneven punya. It is not solid ke apa, uneven punya shape lah. So you can use this one. But this sled more to the heavy punya ni, because it is apa kita panggil Mantap lah dia punya tu. Dia punya surface ni. Okay, this one.
Gravity conveyor.
Gravity conveyor ataupun spiral conveyor because of the shape line, spiral conveyor. But it is gravity conveyor without power lah katakan, tak ada power apa-apa. So gravity conveyor. Ini murah sikit lah kan. It is not expensive because no power you use. Okay, this at the middle.
Helix.
Helix, okay, boleh. Helix lagi. It is like what? Your
Screw.
what?
Screw.
Screw conveyor. Maybe in the palm oil ke ataupun quarry, you can see this one. Dia instead of apa ni to transport, it also can crush. Can crush ke. Can distribute evenly. Okay, this ni. This one.
Step.
Sorry?
Step conveyor.
Aja?
Step. STEP.
Oh, STEP. Step.
Yes.
Step conveyor. Okay, maybe step conveyor. Saya tak ni tadi. Tapi yang ni dipanggil sebagai bucket conveyor. It's like macam partition sini kan. Bucket compartment kan. But the name is bucket conveyor. Okay, this one is also similar to this one. Like this, bucket conveyor. To move the stuff in the bucket. Okay. Okay, yang ni? Semua ada satu lagi. Saya terlindung download dia. Cuba. Okay, this one yang first ni apa?
Roller.
Roller conveyor. Roller. Ini kita panggil wheel. Wheel conveyor. Roller ni dipanjang tau yang macam tadi. Roller yang macam ni. Ni roller. Yang ni wheel. Wheel conveyor. Okay. Okay, this one. Number 3. Dia ada chain kat sini. Macam basikal tu bicycle chain. CHAIN. Saya ni pronunciation teruk sikit. Chain. Kadang-kadang macam change pula. Chain. Chain conveyor. Sorry dah jawab pula. Chain conveyor. Okay. The name is chain conveyor. Macam bring pallet kan. They can bring pallet kan. So they use chain conveyor. Okay, this one. Look at the ni yang ada bawah ni, ada rail. Bawah kan. Apa nama dia?
Rail conveyor.
Monorail.
Nampak macam rail monorail. No, nama dia tak kena mengena dengan rail tu. Nama dia tow line conveyor. Tow line. Dia ada line, tow line. Towing. Tow line. TOWLINE. Okay, yang ni. This one.
Overhead rail.
Overhead.
Overhead rail.
Tapi the name is yang dia put ni trolley conveyor. The name is trolley conveyor. Okay, and the last one here. Okay, you can see this is what? Okay, yang ni. What conveyor?
Roller.
Roller.
This roller conveyor. But when it comes to this apa ni shape kan? Dia ada macam ni, kita panggil sebagai sorting conveyor. Dia sort. Dia sorting kan. Sorting conveyor. Okay. Okay, yang ni. Ada lagi punya. Okay, the last one. Cepat habis lah hari ni. Alah silap. Okay.
Overhead crane.
Overhead crane. Nama lain?
Crane.
Tadi kita ada sebut nama dia.
Stacker.
Bukan. Stacker tak.
Hoist.
Hoist.
Hoist tu betul. Dia ada hoist. Ada satu lagi. J. Huruf J.
Overhead hoist.
Overhead hoist crane. Okay. Huruf J start with J. Only 3 words. 3 alphabet. J I B. Jeep crane. Jeep crane. Jeep crane ataupun monorail hoist. Okay, yang ni second picture ni. Ni overhead. Overhead crane. Dia lebih kurang sebenarnya. Tapi yang ni panjang. It is long. Overhead crane. Dia tengok kadang-kadang what is the hoist? Okay, this is hoist. What is the chain hoist crane? This is the chain. You use chain, so the name is hoist chain. Okay, this one is hoist. This is monorail. So sometimes we call some monorail hoist crane. Monorail crane. Macam itulah. Jadi depends lah. We are referring to what? Kan? Okay, ni sebab tu kata sebenarnya overhead macam betul juga. Tapi the specific name is Jeep. Okay, this one is overhead crane. Macam tu kan? Overhead crane ataupun hoist crane. Okay, this one.
Mobile crane.
Mobile crane. Okay. Yang ni, you have seen this banyak merata-rata kan when building construction kan?
Tower crane.
Tower crane. Okay, what is the difference with this?
Tu crawler crane.
Oh, pandai. Siapa tu? Azim. Okay. Macam nak tahu ini crawler crane?
Saya Google.
Oh, ya ke? Oh, okay, cerdik. Oh, cakap crawler crane. Okay, this one. Awak Google macam mana? Cepat awak dapat jawapan?
Type of crane.
Oh, tak crane. Ingatkan awak Google pakai kamera.
Tak.
You know kan how to use the camera kan? To Google as well. Okay, this one.
Entry crane.
Start with L. Laughing crane.
Laughing crane.
Laughing crane. Actually, when I was internship, dulu lah, I'm from UTM juga. I have internship in DOSH, Department of Occupational Safety and Health. So one guy said, okay, this is laughing crane. So I get, oh, this is laughing crane because why? This tool like to laugh ke? Because I thought the ejaan is LAUGH. Then he said, yeah, because it likes to laugh. I thought, oh, I see. Until now, before I found this, I said, oh, that is laughing crane. But in this week, then I know the name is laughing crane. It is laughing crane. Okay. This apa ni picture? This is like jeep crane kan, but it is mounted. So the name is wall mounted jeep crane. Wall mounted jeep crane. Okay, the last one. What is it? Siapa tahu ni memang terror lah. Sometimes you can see this one is like in an apartment. In apartment, they have this one to apa ni to throw your rubbish from your level apartment to go down lah by using this
Chute conveyor.
chute. We use chute conveyor. Okay. Okay, this one I will keep this for our next class line. Tak perasan pula rupanya sampai sini. Tak perasan pula. Cuma this is only for 1 hour material. Okay, tak apalah. It's okay. So, now for the attendance, who are willing to give the question for your attendance?
Type of material handling.
Tak habis bunyi. Macam mana? What apa tadi? Badrul
Type of crane.
Badrul.
Badrul, habiskan ayat. Oh, ada yang sebut ni, ada tulis ni, tak nampak tulis. Alah, mana tadi?
Of material handling equipment.
What of apa tadi?
Type of material handling equipment.
Give one type of material handling equipment Okay. Saya ni tak boleh tengok chatting tau. Saya kena buka chat tu baru nampak. Saya nampak ada berapa orang tulis. Okay, tadi. Oh, okay, banyak. Idham, example of transport equipment. Adriana Adini, give one type of crane. Okay, which one you want to use? To apa ni? To be the question. Example of transport equipment or type of crane?
Type of
Type
crane.
of crane.
Okay, boleh ambil Okay, give one name of type of crane. Give one name. Mana? Internet tak masuk lagi. Sekejap. Chatting. Buat actually to everyone. Ni pada nama orang lain lah. Okay, this is for section 1. Section 2. Let's see. Okay, section 2. Okay, give one name of crane One type of crane. Okay, boleh. Okay, so see you later. Sorry lah Rasam pula tercepat. Nak cari satu-satu video tu pun boleh bertahan.
Doktor test 1 bila doktor?
Test 1. Should be 1 week before 1 week before our mid-sem kan? Betul? Betul tak? Is it correct? 1 week before our mid-sem. Oh, I see. Okay, here test 1 is 21 until 25 November punya ni. Oh, next week lah lah, next week. Do you want to be next week? Do you want the test 1 to be next week?
Next 2 week kan doktor?
Next 2 week.
Yeah.
Next 2 week maknanya
Next week
28.
already got to test.
Yeah. Oh.
Yes, okay, next week.
And actually memang 28 and until 2 December is the week of test, right? Week of test. Okay, if you want to make it 2 weeks within 2 weeks. Okay lah, boleh. Within 2 weeks before mid-sem kan after before mid-sem. Okay, boleh. Okay, so nak buat hari apa? Hari Tuesday or Thursday? Yalah, Tuesday lah. Tuesday Kalau tak nanti kan ambil masa orang. Takut ada yang kelas. Takut ada yang kelas hari pukul 10, 10 o'clock. But then I'm not sure lah because normally my test is 1.5 hour tau. But I don't know. This one is jarang lah I punya tu 1 hour. But tak sure lah. Nanti I tengok balik. Tengok balik. Okay. So that's all lah.
Doktor,
Yep.
Sedih kan?
30 tu pun kami test.
Oh, ya ke?
How about this Thursday?
Okay. You want Thursday? What about the others? Thursday is free Yang lain? Okay.
Yes.
Thursday doktor.
Okay, Thursday. So we confirm Thursday. Okay, boleh. Ada yang ada kelas ke after our class? Is there anyone who have class after our class at 10 kan? 10 AM kan? No one
Ada doktor.
So hopefully it is not a problem lah for you. There is no problem.
Ada kelas ke?
So macam mana?
Ada
tu?
kelas tak? Masa 1 jam.
So, macam mana? Tak apalah.
Malam.
Buat cepat-cepat lah kalau macam tu. Laju-laju je lah. Okay, tak apalah. Yang tu awak settle nanti macam mana. Just maybe.
Doktor.
Ya.
Test ni masuk sampai ke mana?
Sampai today boleh? For karaoke tak masuk lah. Yang ada SMED semua tak masuk lah. Until today. Boleh? It is no measurement, no apa ni, no calculation. Only
Formatnya macam mana tu? Essay ke, point ke?
Atau point form.
okay, I don't like essay actually. I like point. But the point is also macam satu ni lah yang lengkap lah, yang lengkap. But no need to drag dia punya ayat tu sampai very lengthen punya ni, no lah. I don't like that. And also maybe some charts. You have to know about the charts because that is the famous one lah to be your test kan. Maybe I will give you case study and I will give you a video. Then from the video you have to identify apa ni, how to to develop the chart ke apa ke kan. And apa-apalah about dia punya theoretical which is related. Boleh? Boleh?
Boleh tak?
Okay. Okay, so jumpa lagi nanti. Okay, Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera.
Lagi doktor.
Thank you.
Thank you, Doktor.
Kesulitan ni.
Thank you, Doctor.